how to create or add YouTube shortcut on your Windows. Hello and welcome back everybody. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step guide in order to do so. So you may follow out these methods for that. So method number one is we can just go over and right click on our desktop and a menu pops up. We can look out for new option here. After that, click on the option called shortcut here in the top and select it. And in the location, type the location of the item section. You can just go over and type in the URL of YouTube, which is this one right here. So you can either copy and paste it or directly type in this www and youtube.com. After that, hit next and type in YouTube for the name of the shortcut and click on finish, and you will be finding the YouTube shortcut on your screen directly. Apart from that, we can create YouTube app from the Chrome as well. So you can open up Chrome, go to youtube.com, and once we do so, we'll be finding an option called opening app or install if you do not have the app yet. After that, you can click on that option and the YouTube application will be available. If not that, we can just go over to youtube.com. And once we open it up, click on the three dot in the top, select it, look out for the option called cast, save and share, and look out for this option called create shortcut, and go on with the process of creating. Click on create, and you will be having YouTube shortcut that will behave like that application for YouTube. You can just go over and follow this method. And that's it, everybody. Those are probably the method you can follow in order to create a YouTube shortcut on your desktop. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.